Welcome to the Mentech booth. Our VP of Marketing, Martin Van Stel, recorded a 10-minute corporate overview that'll introduce you to the company. For the sake of time, I'll jump right into the technology. I'll show some of the design and production flow and our offerings. First for molded inductors, then for power beads. We build inductors in our 70,000 square meters factory in Beijing, China, where we can build more than 30 million pieces per month in highly automated lines. I should mention we've achieved certifications for automotive applications. Even if you're not designing for automotive, I mention this as an indicator of robust quality. This shows which steps can be fully automated. Coplanarity checking is one that still needs to be manual. The trend is to automate more and more. Basically, we automate wherever it makes sense and provides the benefits of high volume production with consistent high quality and low cost. Clean flow and less operators, minimize errors. Of course, some things must still be done manually. Here's pictures of a few of our key machines. And here's a pictorial comparison of a traditional inductor versus molded, which shows molded almost half the size. A few teardowns showing our molded inductors in consumer products. Integrated metallic molding gives the lowest flux leakage. Power magnets in DC to DC converters vibrate, making audible sound. Core shape changes and leakage are minimized in molded inductors, so thereby making them quieter. How are they formed? Iron or some other magnetic powders are pressed around the copper coil that's welded to a lead frame. The miniature version on the right uses flat wire to save space. Just some nice pictures of the process steps. The process is different for miniature versions. Another shot of clean flow automated production lines and some key equipment. Some of these are designed in-house by our automation systems teams. Pictures of some test machinery. And then here are some test results versus a couple of our tier 1 competitors showing our inductors holding up better over increased current. Quick overview of our product offerings. We have a variety of transformers and inductors. Wire wound chip inductors, multi-layer chips, a number of planar devices. Another presentation in our booth focuses on these. Back to molded inductors. We continue shrinking them and increasing complexity, such as this new T-core type on the lower right there. And here's an overview of the families. They feature high saturation current, temperature stability, magnetic shielding, and high energy density. And they're suitable for high current applications. We've got catalogs for download in the booth. This is just to mention a couple families and their benefits. A number of tier 1 customers are in high volume production using these devices. My power bead flyby will be even briefer. Construction is different for these smaller devices, as is the production process. Again, clean flowing automated line. And some of their benefits. We have a large engineering team and do a lot of customs to meet typically custom form factors and inductance values and such that we're happy to work with your team to meet. Catalogs are available for download in our booth. Here's an example showing parametric data. And tier 1s who are using our bead inductors in high volume production. That's all we have time for. Apologize for the frenetic pace. I hope you'll come by the booth for further discussions or post-show via email or phone. Thanks for your time. Hope to see you in the booth.